saving money can be simple with a few smart habits? Keep watching to find the best ways to boost your savings. First, automate your savings for each paycheck. Set up a direct deposit to a separate savings account. Next, track your expenses. Make sure you have enough to pay rent and bills. Stay out of debt as much as possible. If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Use apps to see where your money goes, or create a spreadsheet document to track expenses as well as savings. Cut out unnecessary subscriptions. Pause before big purchases. Do your research and do not impulse buy. Ask yourself if it's a need or a want. If it's a want, wait until it goes on sale. Buy generic brands. They often offer the same quality for less. Don't pay more just because of the brand name. Cook at home instead of dining out. Meal planning saves money and time. Finally, review your budget monthly. Adjust as needed for better savings. Like what you see? Subscribe for more money-saving tips.